Good morning, everyone. Finally back at it again after a week, and I got something really special this video. I'm out here in Southwest Florida, Naples, in the kayak, in a freshwater canal, and I've got some live shiners, special freshwater artificial baits, and I'm going after some peacock bass. No, there are also tarpon in here, and I've heard there's snook. So if I've hooked a tarpon in here, and if there can be tarpon, there can be snook as well. So we'll see. And there's also a largemouth bass, of course. If there's peacock bass, you know, it's freshwater. There's other freshwater fish, cichlids, bluegill, tilapia. I'm also looking for what are they called? Snake's head, I believe. Snake's head, or bowfin, or clown knifefish. But I'm not sure if that's more further down south, or if they exist up here or not. But anyways, and after kayak fishing, when it gets hot out, I'm gonna pack up, and I'm actually headed to real South Florida. I'm gonna fish along the Tamiami Trail like I did a few videos back in April, and hope to catch you know, some brackish water fish, and also freshwater fish. I got my ultralight rod, gonna try some micro fishing too. So fingers crossed. I hope this is a great day. If not, I got all day tomorrow to fish too, on the way back up. I think I might have too heavy leader on here. All right, gonna that's annoying. Need that. Okay. Nope, I don't want the aerator. There we go. All right, now I have a circle hook. Go through the bottom of the mouth. Like that. And I don't know, I guess I'm just gonna troll. Just gonna drag around this shiner and toss my top water over on the side. What? This guy got something. Yep. Got a bass. I got my first. That was like immediate, dude. Not a big one, but geez, I just dropped that thing in there too. Awesome. Skunk broke. All right, let's grab another shiner. Let's see if I can at least have it in the water, like undisturbed. so I can, you know, get a hit on my top water, or at least cast it. I'm in the same spot I started setting up, and I think the shiner is still swimming around over there. Oh, what? Circle hook didn't work. That was a good one too. Circle hook, all you got to do is start reeling and it sets. Just didn't set good. There we go. There we go. It seems like a peacock. There we go. I still got my shiner out. I wonder if I can get doubled up. Ooh. Got it. First peacock of the trip. What a beauty. Absolute beauty. Just take it in for a minute. It's a female. They're so much fun. Anyways, I caught it on this Rapala crankbait that I caught, that I bought like over a year ago. I don't usually come down here and go peacocks bass fishing. My shiner's still in there, still in the water, and I can't get this treble hook out of the net. So no more bites after that peacock. Even not eating anything on the shiner. But still a lot of daylight left. About 8-9 hours of daylight, and I got shiners left. I'm gonna see how long I can keep them, change the water out. Yeah, but for now I'm gonna leave this one shiner on the hook while I put my kayak stuff away and see if I can get anything out of that. But otherwise, next spot. So here's a spot I want to go to. Okay. I got out at this one spot I wanted to fish, and I had to relieve myself, and as soon as I started going, I was swarmed by hundreds of mosquitoes all at once. And yes, they even started biting that part. You know what, I'm not even going to talk about it. I got freaked out, and I just started running around, and I ran into my truck as fast as I could, peeled out, rolled the windows down, almost lost my life jacket. It started flying around in the back, and I lost one towel that was on my kayak chair. But that was crazy. Yeah, it is no joke out here midday in the summer. It's about 2:21. Yeah, I have bug spray, but I just wasn't prepared to like get swarmed that fast. Okay, so remember how I was saying that towel flew out of my window? It was on my kayak chair and it went out my passenger side window. Here it is. My kayak wheels caught it. That's pretty cool. Well, I said, oh well, it's no big deal losing this, because I'll just take from the hotel if I have to. Right there. Oh, what? What's that? I'm getting swarmed by mosquitoes in the rain. See? I said the rain was washing it off. Washing off the bug spray. Ah, man. Shit ton of them. Tighten the straps. Make sure everything's all right. All right, I'm gonna do a loop around the truck and then jump in and make sure it's unlocked. Okay. What? Oh, I've got something. I've got something. No, I had something. I think it was a gar. Yeah, look at that. It's looking kind of shredded. On my, what was it? Shiner? Yeah, on my live shiner, I got this cichlid. That was cool. I haven't caught one of these since the last time I was out here. My pole was attached to my bucket too. If it was a bigger fish, it easily could have tipped it over. I lost all my bait. Right there, a grasshopper swimming across the creek. About to see a live topwater bait in real time, but it's not attached to my line. But if something eats it, you'll see it happen in real time. I'm gonna cast towards it so I can get in on the action maybe. God, really? I can't believe nothing's eating that. You kidding me? Well, I guess the topwater just doesn't work today. It's in its mouth. Oh man. I'm sorry, buddy.
At least he's not a snapper. They still try to bite you?
Yeah.
I got some long ones if you need some.
See, like he's looking at. Don't swallow the hook, buddy. I'm trying to help.
Yeah, they don't get it. Let me see if these help too.
Yeah, I need some longer ones. I can't really like.
That's what I use for them guards. Try these. This way you can't get your hand.
Oh, okay. Probably scare the shit out of them. See, like I see the. Get the shiner out of the way.
Yeah, there you go.
It's like eyes and brains and stuff. Oh, there it goes.
There you go.
Soft shell turtle.
I didn't know they would try to bite you.
Boy turtle. Oh, well, I don't know if
He was
they.
trying though.
I don't know if they could break skin, but
Right.
I don't want to find out.
Yeah, he was
So,
trying. I noticed.
Did you get your pliers?
Yeah, I got them.
Okay.
I noticed I usually catch turtles when I throw on that side for some reason.
Yeah, because it's deeper over there.
Yeah.
I thought if I threw deeper too, then I'd get a big fish, but just a turtle.
Yeah, I see cichlids and everything. Well, that's all I see though. I see baby, what you call them? Peacocks.
Thank you for your pliers, man.
Oh, you're welcome, my man.
Yeah.
I'm gonna do what you say tomorrow. I'm gonna head out that way.
Yeah.
Further.
Day 2 out here in the Everglades. Let's catch some fish. Let's try here. The other end of the culvert, shade. Ooh, yeah, see there's cichlids right there. Ooh, ooh, ooh. We just went at it. We'll try the Rapala skitter walk top water, because why not? You know? What could go wrong? Ooh, oh, kidding me? Ah. Well, at least something went at it. Some's following. Some's underneath it. Come on, come on. There it is. There it is. You got it. You got it. You got it. Come on. Come on. You can do it. Oh, there we go. There we go. Come on. Oh, oh. Come on. Judy, oh my God, why don't they just eat it? Oh. Dude, this is crazy. It is crazy how bad these fish are at the top water. This is tough. Oh shit. Okay, well, that was an interesting trip. I caught 3 fish and 1 reptilian. Yeah, not my best trip, but still real fun learning experience. They seem, down there, being in the Everglades in the middle of summer, rainy season. It wasn't often, but I got swarmed by mosquitoes. Like, I'm talking head to toe, trying to get in my eyes, in my nose, in my mouth, in my ears, behind my head, underneath my hood, under my hat, like everywhere. There's just nowhere you could go. Bug spray does nothing. All you can do is run inside, get in your car, truck, whatever, drive away and roll the windows down so they all get out. Pretty sure there's still 1 or 2 buzzing around in my truck right now, but hopefully they'll die soon. They're just a menace down there. Like, I wasn't swarmed all the time. There were moments where I'd get a good 15 minutes in of fishing without being touched by a single bug, but it seemed to be right after that rain, or in spots where there was virtually no wind, that they would all come at me and swarm me at once. So I actually think, midsummer's not the best time to go down there. I would probably pick fall or winter to go down there. I know I went there in April, which is mid-spring, and it was amazing. Like, the weather amazing, temperature amazing, not too windy, no rain, and the bugs only came out, at dusk, and so it wasn't really a problem. So the kayak fishing with the live bait didn't go too well. I usually catch at least 8 to 12 fish in that spot with the live bait. That day it was only 2. got super hot. It stopped biting, so I started to drive down. There were parts of the Everglades I was in, 10,000 Islands, on the Tamiami Trail side. It had really promising road spots where I was getting hits, but nothing really caught. Thunderstorm would interrupt, or mosquitoes would interrupt. I'd have to move on. And then there was the section in Big Cypress where I caught a cichlid, and the turtle, probably could have stayed longer there, honestly. Use some more live baits. I know there's another guy there fishing. He was getting gar. I really didn't want gar, and he said he was just catching just a ton of cichlids, and that was about it. That's why I left that spot, because after the turtle, I said, no, it's going to be just gar and turtles from there on out. So from there, I drove to the hotel. I actually stopped by that skate park and skated it for a while, but drove to the hotel, had a few beers, went to a Spanish fast food restaurant, got a really good chicken sandwich, then checked out at 11. I drove back, went to the Big Cypress spot, got nothing, got heated out, sweat down my entire body, my clothes soaked, left that place, went back to the beginning of where the 10,000 Islands starts, and I fished that hole again, the culvert area, and I decided to use a top water. There was snook everywhere, but I got no catches. I was only getting hits. I used top water, really frustrating. Getting all those strikes with the top water and not a single catch. Nothing even took drag. So at that point, I got overwhelmed by mosquitoes again. I started to head out, and I wanted to check out this spot in Naples under an overpass. Nothing. I saw 2 tarpon roll at that spot, but the water was gray. There was garbage everywhere. Super nasty. I found that spot on YouTube, and it looked a lot better at that time, but it was really nasty when I got there. So I decided to leave. On the way back up, went to Bass Pro Shops. Didn't actually buy anything because I had already spent a lot of money on gas and hotel and food and stuff. But yeah, that was the Everglades excursion. Hope you enjoyed the video. I definitely learned a lot, and we will definitely be going back after hurricane season, probably, mid-fall, when the temperature is a lot more bearable. Anyways, that's going to be it for the video. If you enjoyed the video and you're not subscribed, please subscribe. Leave a like, a comment. Tell me what I did wrong. Tell me the things I should do. And I'm going fishing tomorrow, so there'll be another video hopefully soon. I'll catch you in the next one.